In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email subscription pages in HubSpot. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll feel comfortable tweaking the look and content of your subscription pages to match your brand and your goals. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation and locate the content area. In some layouts, this appears as a content icon or a menu labeled content. Hover over that, and from the options that appear, choose landing pages. This is where your subscription pages are stored, since HubSpot treats them like specialized landing pages. In the landing pages, dashboard, scroll, or search to find the specific email subscription page you want to edit. It might be named something like email preferences or subscription settings. When you found the right one, click on it. HubSpot will open that page inside the editor, where you can visually modify its layout and content. Inside the editor, your page is made up of modules. These modules can be text, images, forms, buttons, or other elements. To start customizing, simply click on any module that's already on the page. As soon as you select it, a Properties panel appears on the left side of the screen. This panel has two main tabs, Content and Styles. Use the Content tab to change what the module says or shows. For example, you can update the heading to make it clearer what users are subscribing to, or adjust the descriptive text so it's more friendly and transparent. Then, switch to the Styles tab to refine how that module looks. Here, you can adjust things like font size, alignment, background color, or spacing, depending on the module type and your template. If you hover over a selected module on the page, you'll notice some small floating icons appear. These let you quickly clone or remove the module. Cloning is useful when you want to reuse a layout or style and just change the text. Removing is handy for getting rid of sections you don't need, helping keep the page clean and focused. To rearrange modules, hover your cursor over the one you want to move. When your cursor changes into a 4-direction arrow, click and drag the module to a new position on the page, then drop it where you want it. This drag and drop feature makes it easy to experiment with different layouts. To add a brand new module, look again to the left panel and find the plus icon. Click it, and you'll see a list of different modules you can add to your subscription page. Pick the type you need, then drag and drop it onto the page. As soon as you place it, its Properties panel will appear on the left, as long as it remains selected. From there, adjust the content and styles just like you did with the existing modules. Once you've made your changes, review the page to make sure everything looks good, then save and publish when you're ready. And that's it. That's how you customize email subscription pages in HubSpot.